When I'm usually taking a trade and chasing gap fills, there is going to be two options for me to get out fully. It's gap filled into trend loss, which means that I would have very likely taken 50% off at the end of the H4 200 EMA gap fill and kept the rest until the trend was lost. So yeah, it would have probably mean that I wouldn't have ridden this until these retests. I would have very likely beat 13 EMA. I would have ridden all of that only with half position. I learned to cope with that and tell myself that it's already good enough. You can very much go in H1 if you're looking for re-entry, and particularly if the 13 EMA is defended that strongly and not retested. I would say that you can use it as an entry more than an exit. The underlying trend that you're using as your strength indicator is the H4 and not the H1 initially. And it's been the trigger for you to get in, because before we got that H1 trend, you can see that you've got some pretty shitty deviation below. And before that, H1 trend was absolutely not restricted. If I believe you can use H1 to chase some entries, especially again in a very trendy environment like this one, I would stick to the trend I used as an entry for invalidation.